How to view shop in Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can find the products and even browse through them. Now here, you can easily find the product that you like. So here I'm tapping on one, and here we in this detail page. Basically, this is the place where you can find every detail about this product. Now here in the description, there's a section of Made By. Simply tap on Made By and you can easily view this shop. Here, tap on View Shop. So this is the shop and these are the product that they sell. So you can easily browse through them and you can even directly buy it. At last, you can go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you